Welcome. This tutorial will show you how to install the Eclo one-wire USB adapter drivers, so that you can use it with Eclo Express Thermo for Windows 10. Note that installing drivers requires computer administrator privileges. If you don't have this type of privileges, please contact your system administrator to overcome this. The drivers are available on our website at www.eclo.solutions, in the Support Drivers section. To download the drivers, select the option Eclo USB Adapter Windows 8 and 10, and press Drivers for Windows 8 and 10. Save the file in an easily accessible location and with a name that makes it easy to identify, for example USB Eclo. The drivers are zipped for easy download. To install them you need to unzip them. Just go to the folder where you saved the file, right-click on it, and choose the Extract All option. You can choose the folder where the files will be saved. In this example, we'll accept the suggested folder and click Extract. Now plug your USB Eclo adapter and let Windows install the required files. Now that you have the files ready, go to the Device Manager to install them. Right-click the Start button, and choose the Device Manager option. You'll see a list of the devices on your computer, grouped by categories. Depending on your system, the Eclo one-wire USB may be located in the category Universal Serial Bus Controllers, Universal Serial Bus Devices or Other Devices. Right-click the Eclo one-wire USB adapter and choose Update Driver. Choose Browse My Computer for driver software. Press the Browse button and choose the folder where you saved the unzipped files. You may be asked to confirm the installation of the driver signed by Eclo, in which case you should accept it. To finish, press Next, and when the installation is done, just close this window. From now on, you can use your Eclo one-wire USB adapter correctly with Express Thermo. If you program loggers or use optional modules, you have to activate your adapter. See our tutorial on activating an adapter for instructions on how to do this. This concludes the tutorial on how to install the Eclo one-wire USB adapter drivers. Thank you for watching. Please check the Express Thermo support site, or the YouTube channel for more tutorials.